Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you can zoom in and out on your Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, one of the great features that this little action camera has is that it actually has some zooming in and out capabilities, which is pretty incredible for the size of this camera and it being an action camera. So the way to do that is right here on your home screen. Once you fire up your camera, you'll see all these different options here on the screen, but on the bottom right corner, you'll see it's on 1X. By default, that's what it is. Now, if you tap on that, it automatically zooms in by using that feature. To go back to regular 1X, you tap on it again, and there it goes. It goes back to standard view. So it's pretty incredible as you can do this. You can have this thing mounted on your chest, and as you're looking at the viewfinder here, say you see something that you want to zoom in on, it's just a matter of tapping that one time, and then it'll zoom in. But that's the easy way to zoom in and out on your Insta360 GO 3S.